This is where all the Kabbalists used to sit, and it was especially here that they've reached a state where they could express themselves through the Book of Zohar, through the power of those 10 friends who were able to connect with one another so much so that nothing stood between them, and thus the Creator could dwell among them and reveal Himself to them. It's not a book. It's a revelation of the higher force. That's why, for us, this book is a source of divine force that's about to correct us and correct the entire human flaw altogether, and to lift us to the level of the purpose of creation.